In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn an extra $50 per day using CPAGrip's Content Lockers. Now, a content locker essentially allows you to lock a piece of content behind surveys, so when someone then completes the survey, they get access to the content and you get paid. So I'm going to show you how you can get all of this set up in this video. I'll show you what piece of content that we're going to lock and also how you can get free traffic to that content locker. So join me and we'll get started in the video. So for this method, we're going to obviously be using CPAGrip. So you're going to need a CPAGrip account. So head over to CPAGrip.com and then go to register. And once you're here, just enter in all of this information here. The one thing that might throw you off, you might have not had a Skype account in ages. So maybe create a new Skype account or remember the password to your old one because they do like to contact you on Skype, which is a bit outdated. But anyway, you don't need a website, you don't need a company. So just enter in all of this and then register now. Once you've logged into CPAGrip, you'll be on their dashboard and it will look something like this. The first thing you'll see is people talking about how much money they've made. So this person has made $58,000 all time, $29,000 all time. And people talk here about different methods. So it's a good place to go ahead and talk and just kind of find out what other people are doing. For us though, we're going to go to monetization tools and then URL/file lockers. And we're going to lock here a piece of content. So go ahead and go to create a new URL locker, agree to the terms and then continue. And that will take you over here to your locker, which you can customize in different ways. Now, I wouldn't get too crazy with this because the default ones are default for a reason because they convert the best. But if you go to templates, there are different lockers that you can kind of choose. The one that I also like is this catchper one. And because it emulates a real catchper which people are used to doing. All they would do is click I'm not a robot, then fill in a survey. So we'll go for this one for the video. So we're going to go ahead and go back to general. And I'm not going to customize any of this text here, but you can go ahead and customize the name, the button text, the offer help text, and also the header text. The only thing that we need to enter here is a locked URL. This is basically the URL that your traffic is going to be sent to after they've completed this catchper. So here's what we're going to do and here's going to be the method. So stay with me and make sure you watch it until the end so we can put all of this into place. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and go over to YouTube. And when you're on YouTube, you want to search for, I'm going to use an example here and search for like Nutella cookies recipe. But you would just go ahead and do a search for any recipe. Now desserts work the best. So we're going to be sending traffic to desserts recipes and you'll see how in a second. But just search for like any dessert recipe and filter for Creative Commons videos. Now this should bring up videos with your search query. And these are all Creative Commons videos which we can use to send traffic to somewhere, and I'll show you where in a second. But we're going to click on, we'll click on this one here, which is a short video. Peanut butter Nutella cookies. So here is the video. It's just a simple video showing how to make them, which is perfect. And it's Creative Commons, which means we can do whatever we want with this video. Now, if we scroll down, we should be able to see the ingredients. So I'm going to click on the link and get the ingredients here. So we're going to scroll down here and we're going to find the ingredients. So here it is, ingredients and instructions. And this is what we want here. This is going to be the content which makes us money. So we're going to go ahead and copy the ingredients, then open a new tab and go to Google Docs. So go to docs.google.com. And if you've got a Google account, you'll have access to this. Then go to blank. Then we just want to go ahead and paste in the ingredients and instructions into the Google Docs. And I'm going to change the title here to Nutella cookies. And there we go. Now if we go to share in the top right hand corner, and bear with me here because this is what you're going to be doing as well. You want to then go to general access and change it to anyone with a link. Then click done. And now anyone with this link can see the ingredients and instructions here. Now this is important because you want to go ahead and give people the ingredients and instructions, but you want to first make them do a survey or download an app for them to get access to these. So we're going to copy the link and this will be the link that we then put into the locked URL. So we'll paste it in here and we will go ahead and save this. So now you've got your URL file locker, which you can go ahead and get links and you will get the link to this file locker. And again, you can go ahead and use a custom domain if you've got one, or you can use their pre-made domains. So I'm going to copy this and I'll put it in a notepad file. So here it is. And now what we would do is we would go ahead and download this video, and we can download this video from YouTube by copying the YouTube URL. Then if you go to Google and you just type in YouTube downloader, and only do this to Creative Commons videos, then click on any of these, they always change, paste in the YouTube URL here, click start, and that will then convert your video into an MP4 format, 720p, download, and now you've got this video starting to download to your computer, which is going to be the full video, and you've got the instructions and the ingredients here in this Google Docs. So now what you need to do is you would need to go ahead and make a new YouTube channel. So make one like this person here has done, My Kitchen Stories. Now what you would do is you would obviously create your channel, call it like How To Desserts, something like that. Then you would upload your Nutella video, your Nutella cookies video that you've just downloaded, and in the description of that video, you would say something like, download a printable version you can take to the store here. And then you would link your CPAGrip offer here. Then when they go to download a printable version, it will take them to your CPA offer, your CPA content locker, and then when they complete the CACHPA of this locker here, you're then going to get paid, and they're going to be redirected to the ingredients and the instructions. Now they're going to want this because they're going to want to take this one to the store, and they're going to need this to obviously make the cookies. So go ahead and try this out, and once you've done this for one video, you can do this for different recipes and different desserts, and have a whole collection of videos which drive traffic to different CPA offers. If that helped, please leave a like and let me know in the comment section below, and watch this video here if you do want another method.